In this video, we are going to talk about the for each loop. I'm on the Oracle Java documentation and they say iterating over a collection is uglier than it needs to be. Funny. The way we are going to do it is this way, and let's jump into it. As you can see, I modified a bit the source code of our exercise and I changed the name of our array list of string. Now it's called names list, and I'm adding inside it only names, so only strings. The way we are going to write a for each loop is pretty simple, and I would say even simpler than a for statement. We got to write for, a set of parentheses. On the right part, we will write our array list, so it's names list. On the left part, we will write the type of each element which is inside our array list. In this case, it is a string because we declared an array list of string. All right? And as you can see, all the elements in our lists are strings. So I'm telling each element will be a string. This is a name of a local variable. This is the variable in which the for each loop will store temporarily each element of the array list. In other words, I'm writing here my array list, here the type of each element, here a local variable to be able to store each element, and a colon. Okay? So basically, I'm doing only on output, and the job of my for each loop is to iterate, to loop through my collection, through my array list. I don't need to say, like in the for statement, how to iterate, what is a condition to stop, what is a condition to start. I don't need to provide those information. All I have to do is to put right away the name of my array list here, the type of each element, a name of a local variable. I could have called it I, by the way. You can call it how you want, but by convention, it's better to describe well what's inside your array list, okay? So as you can see, this block of code will be executed as long as I'm not at the end of the array list. It will be executed until we reach the end of the array list. The for each will automatically break. So each turn, the for each loop is going to pick an element, store it inside the name variable, and I'm free to do whatever I want on my block of code. I choose on this one to do an output, simply. So let's run. We are going to do it on a debug mode anyway, by the way, because it will be more interesting to see what's going on. So I'm going to do my first output, and as you can see, on my name local variable, I have already joy. Joy is the value inside my first index. Okay, so you have to bear in mind, here you're not having the index, you are having what's inside it, so the value. My first output arrived in the console because I executed this println, so it showed me joy. The next turn, sorry, as you can see, name is now John because it is the second element. So you can notice our for each loop is automatically iterating, looping through our collection, and each turn name is having a new value, which is the element where the loop is at this moment. Okay? So one more time on debug. With the debugger, I can see that my collection name lists got all my strings, all my name, my variable name here. This turn is joy. I'm doing step over, and each turn, sorry, the variable name will change. This time it is Eric, and this time it is Nicholas, until we reach the end of the program. All right? For each loop is really useful. You are going to use it all of your career of developer. It is a must-have tool on your toolbox, okay? I hope this is clear for you, and I will catch you in the next lecture.